What's going on, guys? Josh here again. We're here at my shop and down in Knoxville, whatever. Today we got another little project that we're doing for a customer that they just pretty much just picked it up. Yeah, they just picked it up like a week ago. So they went ahead and made an appointment with us and scheduled everything. It's a 2025 Scat Pack. The customer dropped it off. We're going to be tinting the windows, doing a star headliner, and also going to be doing ambient lights in the doors and stuff. So yeah, it's about anything here at the shop. So that's the reason we're called Knoxvegas EliteKustoms. We try to be as much customizing of a shop as we can. Sorry, my brain's all freaking messed up this morning. Been running around everywhere. But yeah, we're gonna get in here, tire the headliner out. Well, first we're gonna tint the windows first, because that's gonna be the easiest. Then we're gonna tire the headliner out and tear the door panels apart and start adding some RGB to this baby. Let's go. Alright, and now we got her inside now. Jesse's gonna finish up the tint in the windows, and then I'm gonna do the ambient lights on the inside, and Chanel's gonna be the one who does the star headliner. She enjoys doing all that shit. But yeah, we're gonna turn around and leave it to him. So they're in here tearing the headliner out of this one, so we get ready to put the star liner. A lot of work involved taking the star liners out. So that's why we charge what we charge. So Chanel's got the headliner out. She's got it over working on it, putting the star lights in it. I removed the door panels. On the back doors, there's 2 screws, one on the door handle, one behind the door handle. That's it on the back ones, and on the front, same thing. And then there's like a little screw here you need to remove, and it just pops off. Now we've got to figure out how we're going to run the ambient lights in here, which I think I'm just going to run a strip right through there into it, and then we get the little box that we're going to tie everything into and make it look nice and flashy. And then we also got around the gauges and stuff. We're going to do the cluster all the way around it. So yeah, let's get it going. Alrighty, we got the headliner finished. Got it all back installed. I've got the doors apart, got the ambient lights inside the doors, got the doors wired up, ready to be plugged into their own little boxes, so there's no other extra wires being ran here. They look more like a good, clean, professional from the factory install. So when she gets done with everything else, I will start demounting the dash and run the ambient lights inside the dash, and then we'll get to see the final product. Whoop, whoop. Let's go. So all right, we got the lights, the bezels and everything took out, got everything working, got this taken out. But note to self, when you take these two pieces out, because what we did, we hooked up to the cigarette lighter and the push button here, the hazards shit. But anyways, when you try to put this back in, put this in first and take this, put the bottom in first and kind of like bloop. I don't know, does that make sense? So in and flip, and then going back together. But let's get this finished and get everything going. Alrighty, we got her done. Windows have been tinted. Of course, window tint makes anything look 10 times better than what it is. But let's move it outside, because I know what y'all really want to see is the star headliner and the ambient lighting. So well, let's move her out there and light it up. Alright, we got the car outside of our shop, so let's go on up in here and check her on out. Alright guys, she's all done, and I ain't gonna lie, I like these. I'm kind of tempted on putting them in my car, like the GTR and everything else. I mean, I've got them somewhat in the Mini. I've got the star headliner already in the GTR, but we're definitely gonna be putting it in the Mini as well. So, but yeah, boy. But yeah, I mean, we can put these in any kind of car, vehicle, whatever you think of. Just hit us up. Knoxvegas EliteKustoms, 865-309-2254. Peace.